Welcome to Factful Fridays. Today, we're exploring the benefits of cruise control, your companion for long drives. Cruise control lets you maintain a constant speed, taking the pressure off your foot. To set cruise control, simply press the button on the steering wheel, push the toggle switch down to set and up to reset your desired speed, and let the system take over. You can use the cruise control system at a speed of 40 km per hour or higher. It will maintain your chosen speed without needing constant acceleration. This feature reduces driver fatigue on long journeys and allows you to focus more on the road ahead. To help avoid loss of vehicle control, do not use the cruise control system when driving in heavy traffic, on slippery or winding roads, or on steep descents. To disengage, simply press the brake or the cancel button. Step 1. Tap the cruise control button and set minus button to activate. Step 2. Use the toggle switch to set your desired speed. Step 3. Disengage by pressing cancel or applying the brake. Trust Maruti Suzuki for features that combine comfort with safety. Stay informed, stay safe.